Kuki militants indiscriminately attack Meitei villages under Lamlai constituency in Imphal East district. A video journalist sustained bullet injury to his left leg while reporting the attacks at Thamnapokpi, Uyokching, while a security personnel and a villager also sustained bullet injury during an attack by Kuki militants at Sanasabi last night. Villagers have fled to safer places following the attack. As per sources, the Kuki militants rained explosives and bullets at the area from yesterday. After a brief hold in the evening, the Kuki militants continued their attack from 7 p.m. An elderly woman was also sustained injury to her leg yesterday around 11:30 p.m. near Yaingang Pokpi Emmanuel School. Later, early this morning, a video journalist of Impact TV, identified as Laimapokpum Kabi Chandra, sustained bullet injury to his left thigh while reporting the attacks at Thamnapokpi Uyokching around 7:30 a.m. He was rushed to Rajmedicity City, located at North AOC, and operated immediately. Kabi was rescued by state force on their bulletproof vehicle. On the other hand, people taking shelter in various relief camps approached to the conflict zone to help the residents of the area. However, the people, including the ambulances, were obstructed by Indian Army at Murai Lamkai. A brief scuffle was escalated between journalists who came for reporting and the army as they blocked the ambulance. Later, the obstruction was reportedly lifted.
Can't get involved!